All right, one more example. Looks pretty complicated, but let's see what we can do. We'll let u be the inside function here, and it looks like the obvious choice would be 4x cubed minus 9. Think about what the derivative of that is right now. It's going to be 12x squared. See this x squared up here? That means we're probably going to be in very good shape. So now du is the derivative, which we said was 12x squared, then times dx. So now we have to figure out a good way to substitute. The one thing I would do is, that 6 is a constant up there. So I'm going to think of it like this. See the dx? That's up top. So it might be better to look at it just like that. Now when I look at my substitutions, the first thing I see is my u, which is 4x cubed minus 9. So that's u. Now, the thing I don't have yet is the x squared dx up top, but x squared dx is part of my du. X squared dx does equal du over 12. So instead of writing this x squared dx, I'm going to write it as du over 12. 12 is a constant. I'm going to keep it out. So we have 1/2. You can only integrate this when u is up top. So it's 1/2 u to the negative third du. And finally, this is an integral that we can do. And all integrals are easy once you get them down to this, because it's only one rule. It's the power rule. Add 1, multiply by a negative 1/2. So we already had a 1/2 times a negative 1/2. That would equal negative 1/4. U to the negative second, but u is 4x cubed minus 9. Bring that down to make the exponent positive. So it's negative 1/4 times the quantity of 4x cubed minus 9 to the positive 2. And then I'm done. I'm going to add my plus c. You can see on the left here, I already typed it into Wolfram Alpha, so I can check immediately. That looks just like that. One thing you'll notice is, and I'm glad this happened, Wolfram Alpha, for some reason, flip-flopped the 9 minus 4x cubed. See how we had 4x cubed minus 9? But the only difference is one would be the opposite of the other. Be a negative, but since you're squaring it, and the square would take care of that negative, it doesn't change. So these are the same answer. Now, if that was cubed, that wouldn't be the same answer as this, because the cube doesn't take care of the negative. So just be on the lookout on that for Wolfram Alpha. I really don't know why they would switch that, but it's still an okay answer. This is the answer you'll probably get. So that is that.